With the cottonwood trees giving some summer snow, summer is coming in hot, and in this video I'll go over just some of the things to do in and around Vancouver. Celebrate Canada Day. With many events happening around the Vancouver Metro, check out a celebration near you and join in the patriotic spirit of the day with kids entertainment, food stalls, music and street performers. It makes for a fun family outing. When the heat comes, it comes in hot, pun intended. Looking for places to cool down? Head down to one of Vancouver's many beaches. For kids, there are plenty of splash parks around the city. The summer also opens up the outdoor pools around Vancouver, with Maple Grove and Second Beach being some of our favorites. Want to go a bit further? Head out to some of the beautiful lakes outside Vancouver, such as Alice Lake, Chilliwack Lake and Alouette Lake, to name but a few. Bring the barbecue along and make a day of it. Back to Vancouver, head down to Spoke Cycles, rent one of their hundreds of bicycles and cycle around Stanley Park. It is a flat, easy cycle, but more importantly, it is beautiful. Visit the Vancouver Zoo if that is something you are into. I know it's controversial and once was probably enough for us, but the train and dinosaur section was quite a cool experience. The Honda Celebration of Light was a highlight for us. For some, fireworks are a hard no, but this was pretty special with 3 countries competing over 3 evenings of mind-blowing firework displays, synchronized with music. Next up to the plate, go experience a Canadians baseball game at the Nat Bailey Stadium with a good atmosphere and massive hot dogs. It was quite the experience. Staying local, go explore using the False Creek sea taxis that shuttles between the shores of False Creek. It is a convenient way to see places in the area and have a good view while doing so. Up for some adventure, head up to Cypress Mountain to enjoy the Eagle Coasters. If that's too much excitement, take the ski lift up and enjoy the views, or try your hand at some axe throwing. A massive summer activity is hiking, and there's no shortage of hikes around Vancouver. My favorite being the Joffrey Lakes hike with 3 pristine lakes set against a snow-capped mountain. And then my second favorite being the Star-Wars Chief. And then the most convenient, but tiring, the Grouse Grind. Now back to the water. Go paddling, rent a kayak, or if like me you need to exercise, join a surf ski fleet. Or enter for dragon boat lessons, either for team building or to meet like-minded people. Further out, you can go visit the Sea to Sky Gondola just before Squamish. At the top, the views are amazing and there are some short loops you can walk or head over to the restaurant for a bite. Then you can also go visit the coastal town of Whiterock, in particular the beachfront. It's got plenty of restaurants, a big sandy beach on the low tide, and has just an overall good vibe. And apparently the longest pier in Canada. Then you can also hop on a ferry and head over to Vancouver Island. Enjoy some historic sites and be sure to come enjoy the views at the Malawat Skywalk and also the long spiral slide. Lastly, if you want to get away from it all, book a cruise on one of the many ships departing from Vancouver. The Alaskan cruises are quite popular, but there are also cruises down to Los Angeles, San Francisco and Seattle. That's a wrap. I hope this was useful. Please give it a like if it was. Lastly, be sure to make the most of summer, as it is over in a wink. Until next time, stay safe and have a good one. Cheers.